Hi friends, it's me, Titi. Today we are going to make super cool tie-dyed Easter eggs. Wow, those are so fun and colorful. Now these eggs look super awesome, but they're actually simpler than you might think. Here's all you need to get started. A bowl of water and a spoon, food coloring in assorted colors, ooh, a tray, hard-boiled eggs, paper towels and rubber bands, an egg carton, and rubber gloves if you don't want your hands to get stained. This is gonna get a little messy, so I'm gonna put my gloves on. Before we get started, remember that TT wants you to be extra safe, so make sure you always have a grown-up there with you to help out. Now let's begin. Start with the hard-boiled egg. If you want to learn my technique for making the perfect hard-boiled egg every time, check out the link in the description. Take your hard-boiled egg and take a small piece of paper towel. Cut it into a small square that's just big enough to wrap around your egg like so. Hold your egg and bring the corners of the square up to the top. Pull the paper towel tightly to make sure it's snug around the egg. Now take a rubber band and tie it around the top of your egg. Once your egg is covered in a paper towel, do the same for the rest of your eggs. As you can see, I've already covered them all and wrapped them tightly with rubber bands. So now we're ready to get started with the fun part, tie-dyeing. So take an egg. This is why you have rubber gloves, because we're getting into the food coloring. And simply drop little drops of food coloring all over the egg. You can use as many or as little colors as you want. I think I'm going to do shades of green, blue, and purple on this egg. Try not to overlap the drops on top of each other. Leave little bits of white space in between. It's a good idea to be doing this over a tray or over the sink to make sure you don't get your workspace too dirty. Once your egg and its paper towel are nicely covered in lots of food coloring drops, it's time to take your little bowl of water and just drop a few drops of water onto the egg. You'll watch the colors start to spread and bleed into each other. That's what makes a super cool tie-dye effect. The less water you use, the brighter your colors will be. Keep going until you don't see many more white spots left on your paper towel. There, this looks good. This egg is all done, so I'm gonna put it in the carton. Time to do the next egg. I think I'm gonna do shades of red and pink and orange and yellow for this one. This looks great. Time to add the water. Remember, just a few small drops is all you need. Looking great. And I'm going to repeat the process with all the rest of my eggs. There are no rules here. Just use whatever colors make you happy. can't wait to see what these look like when we're done. Well, we finished dyeing our eggs. The next step is to put them in the refrigerator to dry. This will take at least 8 hours or overnight. I know it's tempting to lift off the paper towel and see what they look like, but don't do it yet. We have to wait until it's fully dry. Let's put this in the fridge. Bye-bye, eggs. See you tomorrow. Well, time to check on our eggs. They feel nice and dry. Are you ready for the big reveal? I'll take off the rubber band and carefully open. Wow, look at that! This looks like galaxy colors. That is so cool! Let's see the rest. I really like the colors on this one. Ooh, look at this one. Kind of reminds me of a rainforest. That looks awesome. Reminds me of a nebula. This one's cool. It's kind of pastel colored. Check out these cool tie-dyed Easter eggs. You know, they kind of look like dinosaur eggs to me. What do you think? Yeah, these turned out so cool. I hope you have fun dyeing your own Easter eggs at home. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I had a lot of fun. See you again soon, and happy creating!